Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I focus on the ins and outs of commercial insurance. Equipment breakdown is a challenge many small business owners face, often leading to unexpected downtime and financial strain. Imagine your essential machinery suddenly failing, halting operations, and impacting revenue. Navigating these disruptions requires foresight and planning, especially considering the complexities of repairs, replacements, and maintaining cash flow. Keep watching because in this video, we will discuss these important topics. What is equipment breakdown insurance? What types of equipment are covered? How does equipment breakdown insurance differ from property insurance? What is the difference between equipment breakdown insurance and a warranty? Understanding common included coverages, how to determine appropriate coverage limits, exclusions and limitations in equipment breakdown policies, the impact of equipment age and maintenance on coverage, and a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Equipment breakdown insurance is a type of coverage that helps protect businesses from the costs associated with the sudden and accidental breakdown of equipment. This insurance can cover a wide range of equipment types, from computers and machinery to heating and cooling systems. Equipment breakdown insurance typically covers a variety of equipment, including electrical systems, mechanical systems, computers, and even production machinery. For example, if a bakery's oven unexpectedly breaks down, this insurance can help cover the cost of repairs or replacement. While property insurance covers damage from external events like fire or theft, equipment breakdown insurance covers internal failures, such as electrical surges or mechanical malfunctions. For example, if a power surge damages a computer system, equipment breakdown insurance would cover it, not property insurance. A warranty typically covers defects or failures due to manufacturing issues, whereas equipment breakdown insurance covers a broader range of problems. However, it is important to note that wear and tear or operator error are generally not covered by insurance policies. For example, if a machine breaks down due to improper maintenance, a warranty might not cover it, and equipment breakdown insurance might also exclude it. Common coverages include repair or replacement costs, business income loss, spoilage of perishable goods, expediting expenses to speed up repairs, and coverage for newly acquired equipment. For instance, if a grocery store's refrigerator fails, the insurance may cover the spoiled food and the cost to fix the fridge, subject to policy terms and conditions. Choosing the right coverage limit involves assessing the value of your equipment and the potential cost of repairs. It's like making sure you have enough money saved to fix a broken car engine. Businesses often consult with insurance professionals to find suitable limits. Exclusions are things not covered by the policy, such as normal wear and tear or intentional damage. For example, if a machine stops working because it hasn't been maintained, the insurance might not cover it. Understanding these exclusions is important to avoid surprises. Older equipment or poorly maintained machines might lead to higher premiums or even exclusions. Like an old car with lots of problems, it can cost more to insure. Regular maintenance can help keep coverage costs down and ensure claims are more likely to be approved. To file a claim, you typically need to report the breakdown to your insurer, provide details about the incident, and sometimes get an estimate for repairs. Much like reporting a car accident, the insurer will then assess the situation and decide on the payout. Yes, preventative measures like regular maintenance, installing surge protectors, and staff training can help reduce premiums. For instance, a restaurant might lower its insurance costs by regularly servicing its kitchen equipment and educating staff on proper use. I trust this video has illuminated the crucial aspects of equipment breakdown insurance, empowering you to safeguard your business against unexpected equipment failures. From understanding coverage types to exploring preventative measures, you now have the tools to make informed decisions that help protect your business's vital machinery and infrastructure. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.